We'll evaluate this integral. So we're going to apply some trigger identity to solve this. So we're given that this is integral of, that's the lower limit 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi of cosec is 1 over sine, cot is cos over sine, so I can write the 2 as 1 minus cos x over sine x. Yes, 1 over sine is cos, cosec, y cot is cos over sine. And from our double angle identity, we can write this as 2 sine squared half x. And from our half angle identity, we can write this as 2 sine half x cos half x. Yes. Because if you could remember that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. See, if I make, so which implies that 1 minus cos 2x is now 2 sine squared x. So since I have cos x, 1 minus cos x, that is, this is 2x, this is x. So if it's x, this is half x. So that's how it's now half x. And this is okay from our half angle identity. So if we reduce this, this is also equal to this is now sine half x over cos half x, because 2, one of the sine half x gone, so we are left with 1 up. And again, since I'm seeing if you differentiate cos, you have minus sine. So what do? I will use this property. So let me introduce, this is now minus 2 minus 2 times this integral, while this is now minus half sine half x over cos half x dx. Why did I do this? If I differentiate this cos half x, I'll get minus half sine half x. So which means that the integral is now ln. The integral of this is now ln cos the denominator, which is this. Our upper limits from 2 pi over 3 to 4 pi. Yes, if you could remember this, that integral of f prime x over fx is ln fx plus k, if you could remember. So that's what we use. If you differentiate the denominator and you get the numerator, the answer is ln of the denominator. So that's why we introduce this minus half and counter it with minus 2, because minus 2 times minus half is 1. We'll get back to this. So that if we differentiate this, we'll get this. That's why we had to introduce minus half and counter it with minus 2. So this is now equal to, we substitute, this is now minus 2 ln cos 2 pi, let's put it in bracket, minus ln cos pi over 3, That's substituting the upper and the lower limit. The upper subtracts the lower. So 4 pi here is now left with 2 pi. Why 2 pi over 3 here? We're left with pi over 3. And cos 2 pi is 1. Cos 2 pi is 1 and ln 1 is 0. So we are left with this minus that, which is now plus ln cos pi over 3. I know cos pi over 3 is half. So we are left with 2 ln half. And this is equal to ln 1 is 0. So we're left with minus 2 ln 2. You get, this is ln 1 minus ln 2. Ln 1 is 0. So which is okay. Let's go more further. So this is now minus ln 2 squared, which is minus ln 4. So our answer is option C. So it's a very tricky question, but still simple. Thank you.